Good morning, good morning. Congratulations to everybody we see today, because for you to start new week after the weekend, it means say God day your side. You understand me now? It means say God don't win on top your side, you understand? It means say favor don't follow you, you get it now. Grace, mercy, everything don't follow you. Favor don't follow you, you understand me now? So for you to see new week, after a weekend, yeah, very special somebody. So you need to celebrate yourself. Give yourself a round of applause, because it's not easy for you to be alive in this kind of morning time. You get me now? So congratulations to you. Yeah. Yeah, for saying it.
We are grateful. We are great on it.
Oh, well,
we are
you be
great
drunk
on it. Me how?
You are a drunk person.
How did they drunk?
Because
something?
this way of your music line this morning is in conjunction with a drunken people.
Now only drunky person, now they know drunky person. You understand? Me, I'm not a drunk somebody. I'm just very, very okay with myself and in a very, very happy mood. You understand me now?
Okay.
So please, just calm down, because everything is going all right and everything is going very, very smoothly.
All right, so it was a very, very eventful, amazing weekend.
Hey, Pigeon.
Oh my God.
Wait till you did this one.
Oh my God. My body side just came out.
I'm just sorry for you. When they worry this one.
My body side just come out.
I beg grease people for the party body side with you.
Okay, so as I dey talk, una not say this weekend well, una no know, na me won't give una the gist now. You understand me now? This weekend, many things have happened. Two of our colleagues, aka people we work together, you understand? English people call it colleague, we call it a colleague. Two of them have married. They have gone to husband house. And it's now it's one girl, one boy. So one girl goes husband house, one money bring woman into the house. Yes.
And that particular night there was Third World War.
I'm telling you something.
Third World War.
Because on Saturday night, somewhere in Nigeria, some people were battling. Some things were going down. Tokpe Oshe. You understand? Tokpe Oshe. Things were going down in that place. We just say we should tell you. We know it's not really your business, but we just say we should tell you.
Hillary and Sarah.
And if you see our Sarah is grand.
Sarah very, very
so there was a demarcation of things. And a movement of things. Legal, in a moral way, the Lord.
And if you see the husband, very, very slim fit like this, but very energetic. You're going to say this one, whoa, yeah. So if you don't understand that one, just leave it like that.
Don't worry, it's not for children.
And happy birthday to Lolo.
Oh yeah, oh yes.
Lolo one of every. Happy birthday, Lolo one of Wazobia FM and Wazobia TV. They say congratulations to you, happy birthday to you, and they wish you the bestest of 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 the best.
Of everything. Lolo, you know you're my fan. So happy birthday to you. Come on.
She's your man. We have a video to play for it. I have to take a break to welcome everybody for the PADI show. All right, so we're not go anywhere. We come back to continue yarn the yarn.
Oscar.
Take it away.
Yeah.
Take it away. Take it away
now. Yeah, una don't start.
Take it away.
Una don't start.
Father Lord, I thank you for this food I want to eat. Father, this vegetable, I call this soup salad. In the name of Jesus, turn to salad. This is lettuce, ordinary lettuce. Prophet, my stomach, it will become salad. I call this carrots, cucumber. In the name of Jesus, you will not turn to fat in my body. You are cucumber, you are carrot, cucumber, carrot, cucumber, carrot, cucumber, cucumber, cucumber.
That is what they call self-deceit. Be deceiving yourself live. Live deceiving of yourself.
That one is heavy deceivement. When you are looking at the food and say, this food, they say I should not shop it because my size.
Yes.
But in my mind, what I call the food is what the food will be. So you, this big bowl of food, you turn to vegetable.
It just be like, make I dey chop paper. Make I say, this paper now, I turn you to boil egg. How? Because you are white?
Exactly.
How?
So it's a self-deception of a deceit.
All right, so this one, want this medium talk to all of our people where they follow us for Twitter. You feel begin, yes, oh my God. You feel begin send us your birthday wishes and anyone will commemorate with anytime we do on the show, we go give you shout outs, no problem. For your two favorite people, Ogbolo and Mayawa, give them the smile. Pinocchio.
And the smile of life. Like the smile
all
of
right,
life.
so will they go yan the yan or what now?
Now yan the yan things now. More your continue to our gist.
Yes.
More your continue to our gist.
Only in support of no placard, say hey.
Hey.
Okay, more continue.
The A's have it. Oh yeah, more your.
All right, so the first gist when I get for Una, it did very, very ogbolo. I didn't even know the category to put in this gist.
It did very, very ogbolo.
It did very, very ogbolo. I don't know as I want to put this gist now. All right, so I go just read them for you. Akwa Ibom government now don't want people where they stay for inside the residence of Akwa Ibom. So make them know they chop ukpomo. Una know ukpomo. Ogbolo is a big pomona. That's one where they make a goosey sweet. That's one where they make a dikaikon sweet. That one where they make ilasek, but that means miss okra.
Where they put inside African salad abacha.
Aye.
Oh la cadele. Oh, see Pomsy.
This particular pomo where they thick, when we say if you scrape the inside, some they white, some they come depend on your type.
That tick tight.
Some they strong, some be like leather. You go drag and soft. Now very soft. You cut them.
Na shoe.
You go. You understand me now?
Yes.
Now, Akwa Ibom state government don't want people where they stay for inside. Say, may they know they chop cow skin where people they call pomo, because research don't show as they chop more of this pomo, it they lead to increase in cancer and liver problem for inside the state. Now, according to press conference we they do for inside Uyo yesterday, April 26, the State Commissioner for Agriculture and Natural Resources, that one, Mr. Godwin Afangide, he don't where we say now. Also, Director of Veterinary Services for inside the state, Dr. Obot. Two of them joined together, talk, say, for inside this one, say the high quantity of salt, whether they use preserve the cow skin, aka mama, say they don't trace some to adverse effect on top liver for people where they chop them and then increase of high risk of cancer. And you know, say true, if you want preserve pomo now with salt. You will put it in a water. You will now pour a salt inside. Even if you not put them for water gun, you will still pour a salt there.
For preservation.
They can say the state government now through the veterinary service now don't talk. Say, campaign yo for inside markets yo and local places so that desist from shopping pomo. We know that it is a pain in your hands. But as long as Akwa Ibom is concerned, we didn't want you to chop a what?
Pomsy.
A what?
Pomsy.
A what?
Pomsy.
Thank you.
Don't shop Pomsy anymore.
Yeah.
Just manage your own fish, manage your own crayfish, manage everything, but don't shop Pomsy anymore. But they pay me.
They shook me.
Wait, before now, Shebi, our elders them. Now they see this thing before we have to, they will come this world, though, they chop this Pomsy. They not get cancer, they reach 90 years. Why our time now, they can't say more to chop Pomsy? Make them enter eatery. Make them say make we stop to the chop buns. Then we go, now I'm going to say we don't get food to chop again. Stop to chop buns, puff, stop to the chop donuts. They chop all those things where they give you, they clothe your heart.
Apart from pomo, the kind things where they fit us, me person they chop again, say akara. All those people where they can't work early morning. If them burn akara, there's problem. Akara, fried yam, plantain, potato.
All those fried. Oh,
suya.
Oh, suya. Where Ebola come that time? Oh, jada. That time, when Ebola come, when they say may nobody go to shop bush meat. Some people say, suya, we died there.
We died there. Oh.
We died there. It's not a bush meat, it's a local meat. So please.
You know, say people they even carry on for hair. They go not put mama, come put on with pepper.
Maya, don't tempt me, please.
Come on with pepper. Come put toothpick.
Oh, It's too early.
Akwa Ibom don't start this thing now. Other states go.
Akwa Ibom, my people.
But
don't worry.
They say mama is leading high liver and cancer problem.
No problem.
So you can still try and reduce your intake.
Don't now the reduction.
Reduction.
Some people chop one whole bucket. Say at the flex. At the flex. Complex zoom. No,
I'm
no,
like 15 naira, come like 500.
2,000, 500.
So just
2,000.
take it easy, but
Just
you
take it
dey
easy.
pay, but you will try.
If you chop one in 3 days, it will be like prescription medicine. Please, madam, come here, please. You chop 1, 3 days. Next 3 days, you can chop one.
Chop another
and
one.
on weekend, chop half. It's prescription.
Oh my God.
All right, so this one is not a very, very good gist.
Oh, yeah?
It paid me for my mind. You know those 4 Nigerians, the way they talk, say they go do drug trafficking for Indonesia, where they say they go kill. When they come say make our government go chook mouth for the whole thing. In Indonesia, people say nothing. The government say nothing. They will kill those people. They go kill them. So as it be like this now, those 4 Nigerians and the main people they want kill, they don't already put their coffin for ground. They don't even write their name down. Say okay. They don't write their deaths. Put their death certificates one place. Put the date. Say April 29. Then they go death. They will kill them for firing squad because of drug trafficking. Now. So as it be like this now, I beg. I don't even know what I want to talk for the whole thing again. See the pictures. You know.
Ogbolo, you know why I know if he talk say I go sympathize or I go say make government chook mouth or something. You know why I know if he talk that one? Because if you go collect visa,
see drugs.
If you want go Indonesia, Ogbolo.
Now the coffin be
Now the coffin be that. If you want go Indonesia, as then they stamp am for you, you go see where they write am. No carry drugs enter our country, you are liable to death.
No, this one are waiting everybody
then
know.
Then in a clear something.
Everybody know. So you know supposed go the.
So you will still carry am. Which kind liver you get?
No, you will carry and don't decide. See,
you don't decide.
Like
say you will die.
Yes, I will die in the process. So
because they don't tell you.
The only person why they sympathize for now the people that will live for house.
Yes, now the family members.
The families that will live for house. Now me I sympathize for. But for you take your own hand, take the side for yourself.
You see death. You say, come on, death. I like you. You want to have a date with me? That's what you do.
But they said they will give them firing squad things and we console for the family. This kind of case, I know emotion say God say if you can't they do anything. Say,
because you were warned.
Because you have a decision to make.
Yeah.
Say come and let's go back to everybody waiting for a year.
Yeah, you have a choice.
Where they try to play this game, say me because of hungry or because of long throat, I will go and carry a drug. Your matter might just end like this one.
Yeah,
so please make we get sense for head. Nigeria, people there for this country, they make legal money. Say now pride they make people don't feel go do some kind of work near be now what's happen.
As they talk this thing, the year, you know, you will consider you can say people we get choice. We get decision. Okay. You understand that kind of head? So talking like that, then go don't say you serious.
You could put soundtrack for that.
Okay.
Or make you talk and make I put soundtrack.
Anyone.
Or you be woman, they go hear you quick.
They go hear me quick.
Yeah.
Okay. People, una get choice. Una get decision to make. The choice to make a right decision is yours. Is in your hand. It's right in the palm of your hand. A fly that will not hear what is the one that follow a dead body in the grave. Make your choice and make hay while the sun shines. Thank you. Well, let us try this.
I know that the emotional part be this one.
Oh.
So just talk emotional now.
Okay. Thank you. Now your choice. Not kill yourself for nothing. Your family care about you. Say no to xenophobia. Be good.
What's it called xenophobia? What's it called? Yeah. Any which way, now you go mass break for this first part of the xenophobia.
Will they come back?
Will they come back now? For those of you now we like the gist, we just get comment to comment on top of the whole thing. Go our Twitter handle at Wazobia PADI reach there. Give us some more gist, I beg. Onto this death row thing where they want to kill our Nigerians for that side, and then for this particular one they say, "Pomo, how it affects you?" Follow us talk, alright? At Wazobia PADI reach there. Drop your comments, and we they come back.
You heard that part. Did they hear?
No.
Did they hear? Okay. We'll just pretend like say we don't talk anything. So back to professionalism. Hello. I will give you my second batch of the story. Now this particular one again, as I talk earlier, this one to know the story way too sweet, man. But this one are for people who know the hear word. If you know the hear word, they don't talk this thing. See, when government put sign of something for somewhere, especially for construction sites where then they build, they don't be mad people, oh. They know wetin dem dey do. If they put sign of no crossing, no passing, no this one, no that one, then know wetin dem dey do. No be 27 life you get, now only one you get. And once that life don't go, hello, you don't what? You don't go. Yeah, all right, for inside Kano, 7 people die, including the particular taxi driver where they drive the car. I go tell you how they take die now. For inside Dorai quarters, he gets one uncompleted pedestrian bridge where then they try build. For inside Kano State.
Uncompleted, though.
Yes, uncompleted. And as they build that uncompleted pedestrian, then been put sign for there. So make people no pass them.
Sign there for there.
Yes.
No crossing.
No crossing.
No passing.
No passing. No driving. No cycling. No okadaring. No bicycling.
No jogging.
No jogging. No nothing.
No. May your spirit not even.
May your spirit not even pass there.
Okay.
You understand me now? But then ignore the warning. Taxi driver carries 6 people for inside car. Plus himself, make how many? 7. Not being then pass under the bridge. As he passed the bridge like this, the thing just collapse, fall on top of the car.
See, people here die.
What are you telling me? The taxi driver and 6 other people died inside the car. 7 of them.
And they don't want everybody.
And then 1 owner. They don't carry the body go mortuary now for hospital.
So this one now.
Look at it. That is it right there. They 1 owner.
She didn't say some people they always want form smart. Say make we pass quick. Something, nothing will happen.
Maybe it's a shortcut to where then they go.
But this one also shortcut to death. Very, very touching something. But this one now warning to everybody to make sure say we they obey signs. For this country, we know they read.
We know they read. We know they read though. If you say read, self, that one far. The one where we they see self, we know they obey. You know how many people see they cross road despite pedestrian bridge?
They go see bridge for up. Now so they drive which day? We they pass under the bridge, we they drive they pass. One woman with belly and he still hold small picking for hand. The woman they cross road. He said you know if you climb that up. If you see the way people shout for your head, may you go back. The people shout for your head. Man, I go back. You know they cross half. Go back, go climb that bridge.
You don't say for CMS, when we say a busy road. CMS, if you're for inside the city of Lagos, that place where, you know, that commercial place where people, they enter different buses, go different places for island. CMS, people still, they cross that place with leg. You know, say, road not there, where they put barbed wire, I been a barbed iron. People still, they jump and...
They jump the iron, where they
people
put it to demarcate the road and where pedestrian distance. People go still jump that distance. They'll see... I say, man, people say... Now lawlessness. But at the same time, and indiscipline.
Yeah, you know that meeting where we get that day. Indiscipline. Yes.
You are not integral.
You are not integrity.
Integrity, you are not finding your body.
None.
You understand me?
That's why.
But based on this particular gist now, please, everybody behave yourself, compose yourself, and respect yourself for your family's sake and for your own life's sake.
Yes, and for the sake of your children.
And your children and your children's children. Not going to say, na bridge, na key that.
And the sake of your debtors. Because I just say somebody go for inside that motor now, go they owe one person money. Now the person money don't go.
Wait, concern.
Sorry.
Debtor.
Sorry.
Not be like
shout.
Not be like. But you are speaking like a debtor.
No, I say I feel the pain of people when they owe money.
Anyway, they don't hear. He have a hear.
Let him
hear what the spirit is saying.
Spirit is saying.
I will be spirit now. Okay, finally. Say it's very, very important. Say make people they very careful when you are going to relationship with people and everything. Not be everybody eye nine clear. Because this particular case, all the way inside Italy, one of our Nigerian again, no, for a diaspora. This Niger boy now go that side, say make he go the flex and everything, carry girlfriend, Nigeria girlfriend and every. Meanwhile, the girlfriend where this boy carry, he get former ex-boyfriend, will be cultists.
No matter.
The cultists now say people where they do their they are there for party, arguments come and start. This particular ex-boyfriend to that girl, when they date now, can't say he want to show the girl back, say, you know you feel leave me, go meet another person, make her can't treat you or mess up. As they reach for there, they can't start arguments with this particular boy. From there, they do arguments. You know, say boys now go on, who are you, who are me, who are you, who are me, who are you, who are me? Do you know who I is? Do you know who I am? Like shields, you know. As they can't do the they shook the boy knife. Chua! Shook a knife, the boy had died. Inside the place for inside the he get people they call le Parisien. Now me Port Harcourt
Oh, they call them Port Harcourt Club
for inside there for
Italy.
You know, Les Parisiens. It's now, don't scatter everything. They don't arrest like 4 Nigerians join the whole thing. Say they go come out, come talk about what's happened for this whole thing. Because of gay. Because of woman. This thing where if don't do to Adam since it they continue again. Waiting they worry men for this world. Can't you come and die for the country? Or die for some other things? You come and be dying for a woman. This one, yeah. You are look by your one as you jump like this now. Because I come and die for her. Why? I don't will die for you because you alone you are a problem. If I keep myself joined up, cause more problem. Some people go see VIP ticket go hellfire.
Oh, but no, you will prefer my problem than another problem outside this country.
Some people get
our problem, we are speaking the same language, we understand each other. You don't see foreign problem before, foreign one.
Any which way, everybody just be very careful. I beg. This particular guy, name now 34 years old Nigerian Terry Agaga. Your own now, you just come and finish because you are get a girlfriend and get a escort his boyfriend. You don't say everybody careful, please. Please.
Okay, baby. You know, say Terry family now go think, say, oh, my son don't travel, go Italy, greener pastures. You don't see work permit, residence permit. You never read 2 weeks or how long. You die because of argument with woman. What's your problem?
Argument
you know, feel whole body
small
till you settle down. No, see, sometimes if you want to carry woman, you go know the vicinity, you go know the area, you go know what they happen
some people
for there.
Now, as we talk now.
What is your problem?
If you get maybe new girlfriend or new boyfriend, ask him history. Who you date before me?
Yes.
Who you date before me?
Yeah.
Let me know.
Yeah.
Is he a bouncer?
Yeah.
Is he a killer?
Yeah.
Is he a sacrificer?
Is he a rich man?
Is he a rich man? You understand?
No.
Is he a producer?
Yes.
Is he a director?
Yes.
Is he a presenter?
Is he a bartender? Something like that.
Let me know before, so I know what will befall me. You understand? You know, I was going to sleep one day night, because you bite my ear. Is he a Michael Tyson?
Yes.
Please. You understand? Is he a Nibaba? Is he a director?
Yes.
Is he Efio?
Yes.
Does he see the whole world?
Yes.
You understand? You have to know these things.
Is he mad? You have to know.
You understand? So no, you ask questions.
Ask.
Who they ask questions, not the loss.
You know the loss.
So ask questions. Say, baby, want to sit down, please. Let me know who you is. If not the girl, the other side say, ask the boy, say, come. Sure you don't friend girl with the craze before. Make I know before the girl come and bite my ear. Time for video. Me and the go at now the okay. So more you have a here.
Let him hear.
All right.
Baby, come and let me in. I'm here to ride it out, so baby, settle in. I'll be your remedy. Come watch. You give me the rhythm, bitch, I don't need no beat. But I'ma go fucking crazy. Go ahead, let me off the leash. I'ma rip the sheets, I'ma make you scream. So hop on top, it's kinda strict for me. I'ma hit it from the back like a Tiffany. In my symphony, with no sympathy. You ain't in for me. You just wanna be a part of it when these fucking dudes make history. Like the sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that comes is you and me. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came.
The air was so dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never had. Her young ones were just as bad. You really bad. Something's really wrong and it feels awful. And even though her body's back to normal, she once wasn't feeling it.
Hey. Shey no say this one now, they fit come thief for your house. No need to carry motor to come.
I'm telling you.
They don't thief go.
They don't go.
You always see them, they jump. Hey, you wait the thief for your house.
By the time you call them, they don't reach Oklahoma.
No need to even call themselves. For your, why you see them, they jump from house to house. You gonna say, oh boy, they come thief for my house,
As
but
you
these
see
guys,
them,
they
they
do,
try.
You gonna clap for them. They defy stunt anyhow. Well, don't go try it for house, so don't go try it for house. All right, so now you will finish, Abi.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, so now the end of the day show be this.
Jeez.
And we now, they tell you, say bye-bye on the Paddy show. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI, and then we will follow you back, of course. Follow us for Facebook, like us for our Facebook page,
Jeez.
and don't forget that we get individual Instagram at Ogbolo, at Mayowalambe, live and direct. Follow the station at Wazobia TV. I want to do stunts now. Woo! Wah!